photographer versus photographer, not so usual location. We're here at LAUNDRAFÉ Co, a laundry shop and cafe with
Shannon.
Hi, I'm Ronan.
I'm the photographer, Ronan is also the other photographer, and Shannon's our model. Please introduce yourselves further again.
I'm a model from PMAP, Professional Models Association of the Philippines.
Hi, I'm Ronan. I was Ines' batchmate in school in Benil. I've been a photographer for about 10 years. Pretty stoked with the challenge because I actually love the place. I've been here for a while and pretty happy with how it looks. So there's just so many spots that we could probably experiment with. And just follow us and stick with the whole episode. Hopefully we get to impart any type of knowledge that you can probably pick up when you're probably an amateur photographer or even a pro photographer. Hopefully we can just throw in different ideas.
This is the best. This is why we chose him.
Sometimes when you're with a client, you gotta find out if what you're shooting for, what you need to do, or the end product needs to be a portrait to show the place, display the clothes or the shoes or anything. That should probably help with your composition. That should probably help with how you're gonna set up your model, how you direct her or him. And if you feel that the lighting can either make or break your photo, then of course the decision making is all up to you. For now, I'm just gonna let everything just flow.
I like this lazy shooting. It's my thing. Oh, look.
You go a little bit more slouch on that. Head down a little bit. Can you tilt your head a little to the left? Good. Good, that's nice. So if you take a look, we actually have a nice detail with the earrings. You can actually focus on that if you want to show that as part of the details.
What are you shooting with?
Sorry. I'm using a Sony a6000 and the Sigma art lens. I shifted to mirrorless for probably already been a year now. It's been a year now that I tried. Because it's a lot lighter, it's more compact, it's a lot more silent, and yet the images are actually pretty good. I'm pretty surprised.
Maybe even better? Or
sometimes, but I still want that old DSLR colors. I still do. But then portability, like I'm on an MRT,
oh my God,
I can just hug it and I'm done. I'm asking her to do that because there's a detail on the sleeve that we'd like to show, and we got some textures as well as we get a little bit of the earring, and we still don't hide her face. So if ever she uses this for profiles or a set card, it can be used. If ever we want the shot to be included for a magazine layout where we have two of the items already shown in just one shot, then that's great. Can you do that again, that resting? And then just the eyes on me, just the eyes. That's it. That is awesome. Stay there. Can you give me a small smile? Yeah, nice and secretive. Yeah. Nice and secretive. That's like no secret. So, one way to prod your models is to sometimes get a memory out of them. That's why I said maybe if it's like, you know, a secret or something, and then she actually did smile. I'm kind of dying to find out what she thought. What was the thought that made her smile that way? It was a little impish grin and a little naughty. You're taller, so I'm sure you're gonna be able to look through this part. Let's see what we can do. I'm just gonna throw myself. You're free to, yeah, you're okay to try that. That super astronaut looking standing thingy. That's so weird. I love it. Go ahead and play with your hands on. Yeah. Looking away, mix, move around. Kind of make sure you're also bending at the hips, so we have a little bit of I know it's weird. No, it's actually pretty half. We're trying to get this detail, very long pocket, and no belt, because sometimes that's the trend. People don't wear belts. Sometimes people wear the big Hermes belt. This is interesting.
Would you say that's a struggle for photographers? Like
knowing
we
stuff?
also have to be on trend.
In the know. That one. Yeah. Yes, I really feel like it's such a bother sometimes, but because I mean I'm obviously a very basic dresser. Black. Well, photographers I think dress in black most of the time, so that they can hide. Why are you in color? Oh, I like that. Just look there. Sometimes you can also catch your models doing something very nice and they don't know it. They just look so good. I wish I looked like that. Look good, just standing beside a laundry machine and all that. Sila yung mga tipong pag nag-aabang ng jeep. I was like, I don't look that good. Why do they look so good? Nag-aabang na lang sila ng jeep. Ang ganda nila. I mean, look at that. I mean, yeah, see? That's why they're models. Like what Ina said, if you have to be updated with the latest trends, you also have to figure out if some photo styles are good today. Like, are they more outdoor? Are they more saturated? Are they more black and white? Are they more grainy? Are they more weird? Like what I said a while ago to her, hold it right there. That's so cool. Can you go chin up and close your eyes? More, yeah. Like, tilt your, yes, that one, thank you. See? She just did it on her own. Okay, I'm gonna ask something weird. I'm gonna ask her something weird and now she's like, oh shit, it's gonna go.
You want me to go inside?
Is she?
This one says like
No, that's for you. I think for just my final shot, are you able to lie down here? Just prop your feet against this machines. Most of the models, they're nice enough to do what you're asked, but if you get into, if you have a model that doesn't want to do this, thank you. I don't want to kill you too much. Thank you. Oh God. Thank you for being such a good sport. Like, I don't know, insane. Sobra. Thank you.
I just realized you're beside the trash.
Trash talk! Thank you.
Okay, so not your whole body. Just be like partly in, but don't sit. Be careful not to sit. this is how we do laundry.
Kasi hawak pa akong mga dirty clothes.
Mga dirty clothes. I'll move this. Okay, so Ronan is an editorial photographer. I'm more journalism, pero I'm capable of doing editorial style naman din. And the way I like doing it is very avant-garde. So I like those interesting, weird poses that I got to learn from him to do. I placed it slightly inside the washroom.
I love it though.
So slightly. Using the table because Ronan already used the table. Disadvantage of going last and yet I don't like going first. Ronan.
Yes.
Kasi as an editorial photographer,
Yes.
you edit your photos.
Yes.
Your way. Kasi I had the experience. I was working for a product photographer before, and we'd never edit. Like it's always the graphic designers in charge of ano. They do too. If you have a good relationship with your clients, you sometimes get to understand how they want their photos, their particular aesthetic. So you could help them out already by editing it the way they want it, not the way you want it. So you're actually really, really shooting and editing for the client, not just for yourself. And any case naman talaga na they hire you, the output needs to be for them. So if you could be a little bit more honest and more forward to your clients and say, paano nyo gusto yung photos? Tanong nyo na, para hindi sayang yung oras. Diba? As I'm trying to formulate like a story. Parang she came here, trying to formulate a story, but then in my head I was like, she's too pretty. I'll just leave it with the pretty. Pretty na lang. No. Here lang in the floor. Hello. Hi. I'm running out of ideas because Ronan took them all. Okay, so Ronan, how was it for you? I actually kind of found it really fun and easy. It helped that the team was easy to work with. No problems at all. Walang ere. It's a real team effort. Even if it's like photographer versus photographer, we were kind of bouncing ideas off of each other or feeding off each other's ways of shooting. So parang nakaka-inspire. It didn't feel like a challenge, but it felt like more of like, okay, it's your turn and then it's my turn kind of thing. I love that the model was just the right amount of everything. She did not overdo the sexiness. She did not overdo the how do you call this? When you're just too relaxed or anything. She just gave the right amount for the type of shot that I needed. And she was very flexible, easy to work with. The place is beautiful. I had no idea that there was something like this in this area.
so cool. Ang ganda, promise. It doesn't feel like a laundry area of some sort.
It really doesn't.
It really doesn't. It's insane. Saya.
Hey, Shannon, how was it for you?
It was very fun. I found it challenging, especially the weird poses that we did. We get inside the washing machine, get inside the basket. So that's not what you typically find in a shoot. It's also very important if the model and the photographer, parang they have a vibe, they have a connection. There's nothing worse than having like dead air and you're so stiff. So it's nice when we make jokes, when they direct, and so yeah, good job.
Thank you.
And I felt that she would do stuff that we didn't ask because she felt that maybe this will work. So she offered something on the
She
table.
can kind of read us and what we'd like.
Thank you. Tama yun. And it was nice to be able to work with the photographer because you don't really have any projects where there are two photographers in one job.
That's
It's not the most common thing. Probably in events you have a team of 3 or 4. But if it's something that's connected to both of our jobs, it's either a commercial photographer or a editorial photographer or a portrait photographer, you don't really have 1 or 2 photographers working on the same project.
That's so true, yeah.
And it's nice because we got to reconnect and see each other, catch up a little bit, and figure out how we've grown as photographers since graduating. Yeah, we're so old.
Vinyl represents. Anyway. Okay, so please don't forget to like and share, follow GrafikGiraffe on all social media platforms, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, etc. Follow Ronan at
I'm at 47 Ronan, yeah, just like the movie. That's also for Instagram and on Twitter.
Instagram Shannon Horrigan, SHANHORRIGAN.
and then follow LAUNDRAFÉ for your laundry and cafe needs. Okay, thank you.